Para may iba naman. Okay na lang, baby. Kaya mo ba ng amo natin? Connection. Nawala yung connection. Nawala yata yung connection. Anyway, again, thank you. Ano pa ba ang masasabi ko? Speechless ako. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na ganito kayo kadami ngayon. Yung iba, flew from Manila to here, flew from Davao to Iloilo, and Bohol, and may live stream tayo ngayon. Some of us are watching outside the Philippines. Ilocos pa, wow, thank you. Thank you, and I really appreciate it. Sana makabalik ako dito. Makabagtog ulit. Sa Cebu. Dreams never end sa Cebu. Yeah! Dreams never end. And speaking of which, this song is about dreams and not giving up on dreams. And since iba yung setup namin today, dalawa lang kami ni JP ngayon, I will give you